This is my Ruger American Hunter rifle, Cerakoted by B&R Customs. There are links in my YouTube page, you can check them out. But we're checking out the Q Thunder Chicken today. To say I'm impressed with this suppressor is an understatement. This thing is so quiet. You're about to see. What I'm shooting are 2 subsonic 6.5 Creedmoor rounds. Then I'm gonna do 2 supersonic Creedmoor rounds so you can see the difference. Here goes. As you can see, nothing. Movie style silencer quiet is the best way I can compare it. These are the supersonic rounds now. Definitely louder, but man, as you can see, it was super quiet both times. I knew subsonic was going to be quiet because that's what they're meant to do, is be quiet. But those supersonic rounds weren't much of a difference in my opinion. They just weren't. For such a big round that it is, and how quiet it was, it's super impressive. I cannot say enough good things about this rifle. I'm sorry, the silencer. I'm gonna put some more videos out with the 5.56 on it and a 7.62 on it, just to see the difference. But cannot recommend this suppressor enough.